Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken pulao. So let's note the ingredients. The things we'll need are 800 grams of chicken, 3 cups of rice, 1 large sliced onion, 1 medium chopped tomato, 2 to 3 green chilies, quarter cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 bay leaves, 1 small cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 10 black peppercorns, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 2 black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds, 3 to 4 dried red chillies, and salt to taste. First, in a pan, I've added oil. It's about half a cup of oil. And to this, I'll add onions. We'll fry the onions until they're golden brown. While they're halfway done, I'll add all my spices. And then fry it. Now we'll add the chicken. Fry it for a minute. And then I'll add ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, I'll cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. And then add tomatoes and green chilies. I'll mix it and then we'll cover it and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now at this point we'll add yogurt, mix it up, and then cover it for another few minutes. Now we'll cook this till the oil separates, and then we'll add our rice. I've washed and soaked the rice for about half an hour. To this, we'll add 2 cups of water. And then we'll cover it and let it cook on high flame for about 5 minutes. And then we'll lower the flame and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, give it a gentle mix and then serve. This is a very quick and easy recipe. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day, and like always, thanks for watching.